All right, hi, and welcome to another update video. What has happened last week? What's coming this week? I just want to give you a few updates of what's actually happening right now. So I have a few interesting things about the website and our content that is already there, new content and new content that is coming out soon. What I'm currently working on. So let's jump right into it. A few things that we have done is, first of all, we finally fixed on the website the members, the module, not the module, the login or the user overview here, the drop down, where now everything is available here. That is that you had to access through members and my profile and so on. So you can from here just use the drop down. You can go and you can go into your profile and so on. That's something we finally fixed on the site. Also, so what has happened or what's already there is when you go to the Academy home. First of all, I changed the Academy home a bit last week. Now you have basically the main course here, and you have the a link to the weekly live stream here. So weekly live stream every Friday, 10 a.m. EST. That's my 4 p.m. In Germany. Maybe I'm going to push it to 5 in the future, but so that's what's going to happen from now on. Every week a live stream. And okay, the mini courses. I now have the data engineering fundamentals mini course here, and it's available as a preview. So when you go into the preview, it says under construction because I'm currently building it, and I have here software development, relational databases, computer networking, Linux, REST API. So basically the most important stuff where you need fundamentals. I have here, I don't want to pop it out, but there are many links in there. And the idea is basically is to go over these links and show you in videos what is happening there, what is interesting to have here, and what you should be looking for. I'm not sure. I actually think I'm going to try to do this in live streams on LinkedIn, so that and I can get some feedback and we can go into some talks. I'm going to try it. If that leads to more questions than answers in these things, then I'm going to pre-record them. Yeah, it's mostly, this will not be like everything that's going to be here in the fundamentals. There will not be something like where I train you and teach you all the things. This will be like, okay, look at this, here you find this, here you find this. So for you to have a way of understanding what is important and finding it and then learning it yourself. I think that is very important for every data engineer to have some insight into software development, like coding, like a Git, like let me write it, pop it out, like UML diagrams and agile development with Scrum and DevOps and so on. So these things, or relational databases with database modeling and understanding SQL, normalization, and so on. And then a big thing with computer networking, that's something I personally think it's very important, like understanding the basics of computer networking and IP addresses and access control lists and so on and so on. Linux and yeah, REST APIs. So again, that's going to come. I'm not 100% sure when I'm going to film the videos. As I said, maybe live streams, maybe I do some recordings. Yeah, we're going to see how that turns out. Then another thing that is coming that isn't on this side yet. There will be a new course. I'm going to push the data engineering on GCP a bit behind, and I add here something new. I'm going to add here a Learning Spark course. Why? Because I want to incorporate Spark in one of the courses, and I think GCP is really, really cool for working with Spark through Dataproc, and I think we need a learning Spark course. So this will be coming. This is what I'm currently working on. I already have how many slides do I have I prepared? Already 30 slides prepared with the overall overall setup and what we want to do. And we're going to take care of this not on GCP directly. I first thought we were going to do this on GCP, but I decided that we're also with some feedback from you guys on LinkedIn that we're going to use a Docker container from Jupyter and work with the Jupyter notebook in learning basically the fundamentals of Spark. So that's really cool. That's something I'm very excited for because I think Spark is still super important, and for building pipelines, stream and batch pipelines, and handling huge amounts of data. That's what's going on. So this is coming next, and then when we have this, then we're going to incorporate this into the actual GCP course I have on the site here. So the Spark will be then a part of the GCP course, means we're going to incorporate building pipelines, building a stream pipeline, building a batch pipeline in GCP with Dataproc. So very happy how this is going to turn out. As I said, I already have some ideas, and I think I'm going to film the first videos either today or tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure. So this will be coming. Keep an eye out on it for it. Yeah, that's really, really nice and going to come. Yeah. What happened else? Yeah, the coaching started again. I have five more coaching students. So what I'm going to give them is also access to the blog. So we will be writing blog posts. They will be writing blog posts in the blog. I also am going to add more blog posts, or most likely Mira is going to upload them. Add new blog posts to the blog, so you're finding not only videos but also more written content on the site. Yeah, something really, really cool I started now for the coaching students is I added Miro to the coaching, and every student gets a Miro dashboard. And with Miro dashboards, it's really cool. You have a lot of options, like what you can show or what you can build. Like you can do mind maps, and also simple brainstorming stuff. And I really like it. We use it in the last 2 sessions already, and it's really cool. Like you can say, okay, I'm going to add here, I'm going to add a Kafka object, and then we're going to copy that, and we're going to take here, like as we said, Spark or Dataproc, and then you say, okay, connect these together, and so on. So you can really build pipelines very easily on this, and it's awesome. And the cool thing is now everybody, like when I give this to a student, the student can go in here, can add the stuff himself, he can mark stuff, and maybe orange isn't the way to go here. Like he can say, okay, this here, and can comment on stuff and so on. So it's really an amazing tool that I think will like here, this comment, and like you see who commented and so on. And so I think this is something that will really drive forward the collaboration on the coaching. I want to try this out. So with these 5 new students, this is what we're going to do and use. So Miro, a really cool site. You can start for free. You can have up to 3 dashboards for yourself for free on Miro. Yeah, really, really cool. That's it. Short update for the week, 10 minutes. See you next time. Bye-bye.